If you're hunting for a full-size 88 keyboard that doesn't break the bank, the Alesis Recital is one of those surprising little powerhouses. The Recital ships with 88 full-size semi-weighted keys with adjustable touch response, 220W built-in speakers, split-layer lesson modes, reverb, chorus effects and USB MIDI. Basically the toolkit a beginner or home studio hobbyist needs. Right now retailers commonly list this model in the low to mid $200s. Price varies by seller and condition. Here's how I pitch it on camera. The keys feel springy compared to a fully weighted piano, but for the price you get an 88-note range and surprisingly usable onboard sounds. People rave that it's an excellent starter instrument. Reviewers often highlight the build value for the cost, and that the lesson split modes are genuinely helpful when teaching or learning. On the flip side, you'll hear fair criticism of the speakers, small, and the semi-weighted action if you're used to a true acoustic feel. Real talk, it's brilliant for practice, MIDI work, and home jamming. Not a conservatory instrument, but very capable for what it is. Pros: full 88 keys, compact, portable, lesson mode, USB MIDI and good connectivity, very budget friendly. Cons: semi-weighted action won't replace a hammer action stage piano. Onboard speakers are modest. Some users report menu navigation is clunky. Average customer sentiment is strongly positive for the price bracket. Many users give it high marks for value and functionality. And yes, we share by links in description box.